We're on the 25th floor of SkyHouse River Oaks, right in the middle of the Galleria. This whole 25th floor just got a makeover, and they called Empire V for help. I'm gonna take you inside, show you everything that we did in here. Let's go. All right, not only did the lounge get a bunch of new furniture and everything was painted, but the whole floor got smart. There's multiple displays. We have 2 pools, we have a gym, a yoga, and a whole seating area. Each location has their own display, their own audio, controlled with a Control4 touchscreen. This is a Control4 project. Everything is integrated in the platform. It also has a lot of user integration. That way, all the residents can actually play their own music while they're out here entertaining or hanging out. All right, so this is a full takeover system. We've been here for about a week now. Today is the final touches. I'm gonna show you everything from the rack layout to the rack design to everything, the programming, the TVs, everything. Today, right now, currently, we are sitting in one of the pools because this actual floor has 2 different pools with multiple TVs. This is one of them. Each of the zones has individual control of the television and the audio in the area. Multiple sources. Yes, we can stream. However, we have Bluetooth adapters for the residents to be able to play their own music while they're out here entertaining. The other pool is a lot nicer, so that'll be the last one. Right now, let's go into this lounge so you can see everything that we did in here. Come on. All right, so we've made it into the club room. These are 2 separate areas, but I'm gonna sit you down and tell you about this one. I have a 65-inch TV right in front of me. I have a 65-inch TV above this fireplace. I have full control of the room. This is one of those places where the residents are gonna come up, they're gonna hang out, they're gonna study, and they got full control. They can either listen to what the streaming devices are playing for them, or they can walk up to the touch panel, select their source, and now take full control of the room. Let me show you this touch panel, because here we have control of both areas. This is the common seating area. That is the kitchen. Take you over there in a second. 2 different Bluetooth adapters, so each zone can have their own source. From here, as you can see, we have a multi-channel display. Living room TV, fireplace TV. We have full control of the volume, the sources, the channels, the shortcuts, everything from here. Now let's say that this room is closed off because someone is having a gathering here and you are over here with your family and friends. It has a kitchen, its own TV, which by the way, they picked the best channel to play today. You got a stove, entertaining area, you can close this off and then you take control of the speakers in here. One of the things that I forgot to mention is not only can you listen to Bluetooth, but if you wanted to listen to me show you this amazing project, you can link the audio from this TV into the speakers in the ceiling. This is also the room where we spend a lot of time building the rack. Myself, Dion, Julio, Brian, everyone in the team spent a lot of time in this room. We actually closed this off. The rack was here. This is where we managed all the wires. This is where everything was set up and programmed. Why? This project had a short time window that we had to get completed. And as you can see, today we're bringing it to the finish line. All right, so we've made it into the gym. This is one of my favorite rooms. Yes, because I'm a fitness guy. Also, because this room allows anyone in here working out to have control of the room. We have 2 displays with their own cable boxes, with their own audio that's being sent into the televisions. So if they wanted to listen to what they're watching, they can as well. But in this room, which is the highlight of this room, is this T4 touchscreen by Control4. One of the things that I want to demo in here is that we have a left U-verse, a right U-verse that allows the client or the residents to control the TV on that side. But like as I mentioned, we can take control of the audio in the room. There's a Bluetooth button right here that is going to switch this room into this Bluetooth adapter in the room. If I press this button, it's going to start blinking. If I go to the Bluetooth settings on my phone, I can click on the fitness room Bluetooth adapter. I can connect my phone into the system, and now I can integrate it into the system, play my own music, and control the volume. As you can see, this was a retro project. This wasn't one of the other projects like I Take You where we get to run the lines before the walls are up, every single access point, every single touchscreen required wiring, and all of the stuff we did at post-construction. This is one of those rooms, and this is a perfect example of how the residents can actually take control of the system. This is their yoga / private workout room. Got a nice set of dumbbells, your own television, a TRX systems, and everything that you need to have a great workout. I'm super excited for this project. This was fun. There is 2 more rooms that I have to show you, one of them being the most important, the rack room, because that's where the brains of everything. That's where the rack, the network, the internet, the audio, the amplifiers, and that's where majority of the work actually happened. I'm showing you the nice stuff. Now it's time for me to show you the cool stuff. Let's go in the rack room. Over 30 hours were put into this rack. This took a lot of manpower, a lot of design, and a lot of detail. I'm gonna give you a rundown of everything that's in here so you know why it's in here. At the top, we have our network. It is important to have a reliable network. I'm gonna say it on every single video. If you don't have a reliable network, you're gonna struggle to do anything smart. From there, we have our IR controllers. This is a Control4 system. Every single television, every single cable box has their dedicated IR emitter. Power and video. These are all the baluns that are sending video from here to each one of these televisions. As you can see, each of the televisions has their own cable box. That way each TV has its own control. Bringing it down to the Atlas atmosphere mixers and amplifiers. This is how we're able to get Bluetooth into the system. All those Bluetooth adapters that you see on the wall are running from here, and then from here, we're sending all of the audio from the cable boxes, from the televisions, from the mixer, from the stream box, from everything into these triad matrix amplifiers. These are 2 16-zone matrix amplifiers that are feeding our 70-volt IP controlled episode amplifiers. This is all commercial grade equipment. I'm gonna show you a couple of clicks throughout this video of all the work that this rack took. But when we started, this room was a mess. We did have an allocated budget and there was only so much that we could do. I would have loved to put in another rack, but we didn't have the spacing or the timing to bring that. There is gonna be more work that's gonna happen here, and I'll bring you back for that. All right, so each zone has their own individual touchscreen and control. Why? Because we wanted the residents to have as much control as possible. Imagine sitting here, you're watching the 75-inch TV, you got your own in-ceiling speakers, and you have full control of the atmosphere. Or you have your friends over and everybody's hanging out by the pool, you got your own surface-mounted speakers, and you got full control. Those are the type of things that we've added into the system to make the user experience so much better. This video was fun. This project was amazing. Like always, I thank you for tuning in. We appreciate you. If you have any questions, please comment them below. Have yourself an awesome day.